Hi, I'm Cherry here. Very glad to see you again. And today we mainly look at some property sectors and some property individual shares like the capital land, the yellow, the city development. So this kind of share, how to do. Okay. This video is only my personal view with the Homilychart analysis. All the cases here is not for recommendations. And every one of us, we should be responsible for our own trading. This one is for the earnings release. Today, Monday, we got these companies, and Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So every day, if we have any share, we have, and inside here we determine the report. So if the report out and is beyond our expectation, so usually it will have big rise. But if below, usually it will have some pullback and correction. Okay, so this one we look at the chart first. We look at the index first. These few days, the market continue pullback. So this one is the Dow Jones. Dow Jones currently even still stand above the previous high, the history high. But currently, since 9 November till now, more than 3 weeks already, just the sideways here. So 2 days pullback, we just see the support effective or not. The previous high, the history high. If the support effective, it means that we all continue hit new high. But if break down, our support is around the gap. So this gap will be our support level for Dow Jones. And the SPX, this is the support and the resistance level. The resistance is 3646. And if pull back, the first support is 3580, and the next support 3510, and the last is 3425. If break down this level, it will have midterm correction. And for Nasdaq also the same. Nasdaq is different. For Dow Jones and the SPX, pullback continue, but Nasdaq continue hit new high and the gap up. So the previous high gap up already. Even pull back, the resistance will be the support, and we can consider buy low, sell high. But currently, the red bar still above purple line, and the red bar still rising. So the big money still flow in. For US market, most likely it will sideways at the high level, but in December we have a lot of financial reports, and also we have the Christmas, the window dressing, the New Year, and all this. We have the good news, and also have some uncertainty conditions may happen. So for US market, it may continue sideways at the high level. For Asia market today, Singapore, Malaysia, and Hong Kong all have some pullback. So we see Singapore market first. Singapore market from November 2nd, the price didn't hit new high, the money flow in. So November 2nd, it began rise, and November 25, not hit new high. And also we see the red bar is smaller, and the red bar break down purple line, the purple line turn down. So today big drop nearly make up the previous gap. So means most of the retail investors, more than 80% of the retail investors, especially the blue chips, all pull back. See, ComfortGo, Yangzijiang, and Submarine, and the SPH have some rebound. Yes, right. But the rainbow white line still be the biggest resistance. So for any share, for any sectors, we just follow the index and follow the rainbow lines and the big fish. See, even STI pull back, but still stand above the white line and also the big fish more than 50%, so still not too bad. See, if 2800, if this level support effective, it may rise again, but the individual share may have some different. Later we will see. This is Singapore. For Malaysia market also a very regular 1615. This is the very important resistance level. Many years already, never break up. So just like the July, hit the resistance pullback and sideways 3 weeks pullback. Hit the resistance pullback sideways, big drop today. So we see a week ago the red bar break down purple line and also the purple line turn down, so means the short-term correction may continue. And for Malaysia market, we should mind another thing is we go to the weekly chart. And then we use the Fibonacci zone. We click the history turning point, and you see here is plus 8. Plus 8 means from today, and in 8 weeks, here is a weekly chart. In 8 weeks, it will be another big turning point. So for friends to the Malaysian market, we should mind this turning point. And also, if cannot break up 1615, it definitely no big rise. If we can break up 1615, we may have chance to rise bigger. Okay, so the Malaysian market, and then we go back to Hong Kong market. Currently still inside, move inside these 2 pink lines, hit the resistance, not break up and pull back again. So it may pull back, hit the support and rise again. And the red bar break down purple line today. See, today the red bar break down purple line, but 2 weeks ago, November 19, the red bar break down purple line already. So for Hong Kong market also may have some short-term pullback. And for Shanghai index also sideways. From July till now it's 5 months already, nearly 5 months. The support level is 3,200 and the resistance will be 3455. So inside these 2 levels, we can consider buy low, sell high, but no big chance yet, as no choose direction yet. And for property shares, we look at Singapore, this one, we can use the signal. It will be quite helpful and very easy to make decision. See, friends can see my Facebook. My Facebook, I post before 25, around 24th I post. See, if the circle turn to white, it's time to take profit ready. From the first red circle till now, it rising nearly 1 month already. Rising nearly 1 month means short term, the mid-term rising also need have some rest. So the red bar break down purple line, it will continue sideways here. Hit the red circle have support, but once the red circle turn to white, it's time to take profit ready for short term. So capital line. And the APAC, we look at this one. This one of Singapore. Also the same. So NAV still above red circles means still got support. Once the red circle turn to white, it's time to take profit ready. And the resistance is around 43 cents. 43 cents. If you cannot break up, no big rise. Okay. And the next one, Bugis and Bawang. This one turn to white circle already. So for this one, short term, we can consider take profit already. As today, the close price break down the circle and the circle turn to white. So if tomorrow the big money continue flowing out, it will have more and bigger correction. So for short term we can consider take profit. So all this kind of share, we should mind the white line. The white line is very important. So if we cannot break up the white line, means the long term still got resistance. Break up, have some pullback, just see the white line support effective or not. And we never turn to red circle, it will be our another chance to consider. City development, and also below white line, even rising so much already, but currently still below the white line, so means big trend still bearish. So currently also the red circle support, and once the red circle turn to white, short term can take profit. Yellow. For the utilities sector, Singapore we got 112, Malaysia we got 118, Hong Kong we got 259, US market we got much more. So all these shares, different market, different sector, all the same analysis and decision making. See, first we look at the trend. Just like the yellow, currently all the rainbow lines converge together and flat. So it means short term, mid term, long term all sideways. Price will continue sideways here until choose direction. It usually will be the beginning of another bull or another bear. See, if next the white line turn down, it will the beginning of another bearish down, will drop at least 1 year. If the white line turn up, it will be the beginning of another bull rising. Okay, so this is the pattern. And also we should mind, we do short term or mid long term. See, if we do mid long term, the price stand above all the rainbow lines. For long term investment, we can just wait and see. But for short term trading, once the red bar break down purple line, for short term, we can take profits already. Like the Goku line, for mid long term investment, the price still stand above the white line, and also big fish more than 50%, so we can wait and see to the long term holding. But if short term 3 days not hit new high, can after already, or we just follow the circle, we never turn to white circle, we can out. So for short term and mid long term have different strategies. We just follow the indicator, follow the big fish. Also we got a lot of risk and trust. See, if you want to be more stable and more safe, you can also consider the unit trust and the REITs. For REITs and unit trust, also the same pattern. If the candlestick above all the rainbow lines, it's okay. For example, Maple Logistic Trust. See, if the price above all the rainbow lines, it's okay. Previously, it's very beautiful. $1 rise to $2, 100%. But once the price breaks down the rainbow lines, it will help mid-term or mid-long-term correction. And also we just follow the big fish. Big fish come, it's okay. We can buy, we can hold, no problem. But once the big fish out, it's time to take profits also. Okay, so we just follow the money flow. See, the money flowing out, so the price no power to rise or continue hit new high. So for this kind of shares, we just follow the chart, follow the big fish, follow the trend, and confirm you do short term or mid long term, and then we just follow the corresponding strategies. And here we got a preview class. See, this Wednesday 7 to 9 p.m. So this is the follow the market rhythm at the year and the last month for us, and also the last chance for us in 2020. So if we can understand Chinese, Wednesday and Sunday 2 to 4 p.m. So these two Chinese talk, and Saturday morning is English talk. How to pick the strong stocks to do, and how to select the strong stocks to consider. So these three courses are public and free attend. We just WhatsApp your name to 96469682, and before the class, teacher will send the room ID and password to you, and also can invite friends attend. Okay, so today we will finish here, and if you want free try the chart, if we can follow the chart, we sell at a higher and buy at lower, so we can save a lot of money. And also the free webinars, we can learn a lot how to pick the strong sectors and the strong shares. So you can all WhatsApp to 96469682, and the teacher Cherry will arrange for you. So today we will finish here, and see you tomorrow. Goodbye.